PUBG game, and his co-counsel Mia Faizan is also there. We will talk to Bilal Riaz. Mr. Bilal, you have approached the court, Lahore High Court, and demanded the ban of this PUBG game. What were the reasons you demand?
Thanks for being invited in your channel and in your program. Actually, the origin of this PUBG game is very much a dangerous kind. If we know about the abbreviation of PUBG, it is Players Unknown Battleground.
Okay.
Nice. If we just focus on its name, PUBG, we think about that this game is focusing the people, throwing the people in a battle. And we all know in battle only one person can win
Whether he wins
after killing other people, or all other persons which are in the battle, he will win. Actually, people as our children, our teenagers are playing this game. They are becoming ruthlessness, soulless. They are losing their ability to determine the things near them. They are losing their ability to approach their parents. How their parents?
Who are you?
Their parents.
You mean to say that we are teaching our children at younger stage, as teen stage, how to kill the people?
Yeah. Absolutely,
on their human life.
Absolutely, you are saying right. We are throwing our children in a such a bullshit game. You can say our children are indulging themselves in this game. We should know. We should. When a player throws himself from parachute,
exactly,
he just got the ammunition of any sort of kind.
Okay.
And after getting the ammunition, what he did, he should fire, he should shoot, and other person. I am the one, the way you turn. In front of him, he has to shoot to win himself. Okay. Okay. Otherwise, he will lose the game. He will lose his fan following. He loses all the investment, or you can say all the things which he has invested in the game. What the? He become rigid. He become ruthless. He becomes soulless. He only focus his mind on just one thing, which is in front of him all the time, which remains him.
To kill him.
And to kill him. And if a person plays a game 16 or 15 hours a day, how can we say that he is a normal man? He is a normal man. He will not be normal man. He will live in the life of imagination. He should try.
He become a psychological patient.
Unfortunately, he was the brother of my friend. He plays the game 15 hours a day.
Okay.
And he play all the time PUBG. All the time PUBG.
Yeah, this is the main reason behind this petition, which introduced me. Yeah, you have to do this. I moved an application to the PTA first of all for the banning on the game. The reason was this, that most of my friends all the time played the game. Rating scale made a player known in the whole world.
Rating in the PUBG game.
Yeah, you have to win the games. You have to kill more persons.
Yes.
When you have a means, you have to kill 99 people.
How much you kill the persons more, you will get more ratings in the PUBG game.
Yeah. And in the final and the last stages, you have seen and some scenes which, being a Muslim, hitted my personal religion, spirits and sentiments. The scenes was that at the last stages, you have to go on a mosque and you have to kill, and you have lots of holy books and the other holy Quran. Yeah. Holy Qurans and other holy books and other holy sentiments which have been distributed by
in that feature you are talking you want to say that in the PUBG player go into a mosque and there are Holy Quran and he used
to destroy everything.
The player had to destroy all the things.
Yeah, because he wants to win. If you want to win, whenever a war was start, you have to kill or you have win.
Most of the Islamic countries in these days are running a campaign on Twitter and social media that a new feature has been introduced in the PUBG game in which you have if a Muslim player, he have to bow before in the temple before a booth, you can say. Is it true, and is it true that such feature has been introduced?
Yeah, with the passage of time, they have to upgrade their versions, and the new versions is having same features as you're describing that. You have to go in a temple and you have to bow before and you have to kill. You have to kill the only